Okay, let's talk about slicing three-dimensional figures. So what do we mean by that? Let's look at our first example and it'll make sense. So here what we have is a three-dimensional figure here. It's called a triangular prism. What that means is that one of the faces and its opposite are both triangles, and then it's a three-dimensional shape. It's like a prism. And what we can do is we can take this rectangle here, this plane, and we can cut through that triangular prism. And what we want to ask ourselves is, what shape will be the shape of that cut that we make? And if you think about it, the shape will be a triangle. Because if you took this plane right here and cut through and looked at the end, it would be a triangle. And what we're trying to do here is just to understand the relationship between three-dimensional shapes and two-dimensional shapes like this triangle. Let's do one more example. So here we have a three-dimensional shape. It's a cylinder. It's on its side. We're going to take this plane and we're going to slice through the cylinder. And what shape will we get? You're right. We'll get a circle. So when you think about different shapes, realize that there's a relationship between the three-dimensional parts of the world and the two-dimensional parts of the world, and that's really useful to understand.